Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is not going to be so much of a happy one because on April 25th, Ruston got hit by a tornado, an EF3 tornado, and from what I was reading online, that's like 135 or 6 plus miles per hour winds. And I remember literally like 1:30 in the morning at that time. I remember waking up to like heavy rain, and then literally minutes later, like I heard winds, and then Marcus woke up from that and he was like, "What's going on?" And I said, "I think this is a tornado," because when I was peeking out the window from the patio, like the wind, it was just, you could hear like the wind was like non-stop, and like the rain was just moving so fast, and I was like, this is a tornado. And little did we know that like hours later we would see footage of basically the city being destroyed. The shopping center where I don't know what it's called, but where Planet Fitness and like Hibbett Sport, that is trashed. Downtown Ruston was hit really bad. Louisiana Tech, I worked there and I still haven't been to work, and I saw pictures of the dormitories, the sports facility center, and just like all over that area is just severely damaged. Gas stations demolished, like one day they were there and like next like they're gone. Power lines are still like in the streets and stuff like that. There's a lot of one-ways, and they're like roads blocked off where you can't even, like, you have to go literally around the whole town just to get to where you need to be. So this is what this video is going to be about. Some of the footage, I hope that I can get like show you guys how bad Ruston was hit, because it's no joke. Now luckily power was restored for the majority of the town by like late last night, but I'm still unsure if like downtown Ruston still has power or not. But from the damage that's done, it's going to take a really long time for Ruston to rebuild itself. When I tell you, banks, restaurants, shoe stores, some of these businesses are just completely destroyed, and I just never thought that I would see or go through a natural disaster like this. And I'm not even from Ruston, but just to say that I live in a place that has been damaged like this is crazy. Like, I was shaking up like the whole day yesterday, like my nerves were bad. And then Marcus even had to go to work. He works in downtown, and they still didn't have power, and he still had to go, even though they had like roads blocked off. It was just crazy. And so I ask that you guys send your prayers to the people of Ruston. And unfortunately, we did suffer 2 fatalities. 2 people did die, a mother and a son. I don't know where they were. I don't really know all the details, but you know, we did lose 2 people. And on another note, like, I'm glad that we didn't lose more because of what that tornado did. So here's some footage of what I can catch of the city of Ruston. Oh my god. Gee, well, I don't know if y'all can see. There's so much debris out here. This is part of tech. Now look at that lamp post or light post. That is like bent over. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, that's horrible. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is crazy. Look at these power lines. This is on campus too. This is on campus. It might be too close. But oh my god. tree is uprooted. I don't know if y'all can see that. But the whole tree is uprooted. So here's some more of the damage. That used to be a gas station. That used to be a gas station. Is completely gone. Gone. Like, y'all see that? Sorry for the blurriness. I think because I'm moving, it's hard for the camera to focus. McDonald's is trashed. Like, it's crazy. This building right here behind that tree used to be a bank. Yeah, that used to be a bank. This is where I live. So this was a fence that kind of separated, you know, our property from the land on the other side, and as you can see, it's slanted. Let's see if I can zoom in. It's like pushed forward. Let's see. Our neighbor's window is shattered. I don't know if y'all can see that. So this is where the tornado kind of whipped through my neighborhood. As you can see, like, a lot of the trees are down. Trying to get as close as possible. I think that tree is like uprooted. And again, like, the fence is pushed forward, back, whatever. But yeah, a lot of the trees are down. This is crazy. This is so crazy. But yeah, this is where the tornado whipped through. And my neighbor was just saying how a lot of their cars were like vibrating. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that tree. That's part of the roof coming off. That's the only bit of damage that's done to the buildings, but we are truly blessed. We are.